A quiet beginning. There was a boy named Leo. He lived in a small, quiet town with his family. The streets were calm, the houses were small, and every day looked the same. But Leo's heart was different. He didn't want a big house. He didn't want a fast car. He wanted something else. He wanted to travel. The dream inside him. Leo had never seen a plane up close. He had never touched the ocean. He had never heard a new language in real life. But he imagined it every day, every night. He dreamed. He dreamed of big cities. He dreamed of deserts and mountains. He dreamed of people smiling in different languages. He closed his eyes and saw lights, trains, music, and new streets. In his heart, he whispered, "One day, I will go." Learning from home. Leo started reading books. He read travel stories. He looked at pictures of faraway places. Sometimes he would close his book and smile. His favorite book was about Japan. He liked the cherry trees. He liked the trains. He liked how different the world was. He listened to English, slow English, easy English, because he knew, if I want to travel, I must speak. So every day, Leo learned one new word, one word at a time. Sky, train, friend, journey. A small step forward. Leo wanted to start, but how? He asked his mother, "Can I travel someday?" She smiled and said, "First, save a little, dream a lot." Leo found a small box. Each week he added coins, small coins, one by one. He didn't have much, but he had something special. Hope. Every time he dropped a coin into the box, he smiled and said, "This is for my dream." Mind travels first. Leo didn't wait. Even when he couldn't travel, his mind was already flying. He watched videos from different countries. He listened to people talking. He learned how to say hello in many languages. Hola, bonjour, merhaba, konnichiwa. He began to speak with people online. He met a girl from Brazil. He met a boy from Turkey. He listened, he learned, he felt connected. One night, he whispered, "I am not traveling, but my mind is already free." The day came. Years passed. Leo was older now. His small box was full. He looked at it and said, "This is not just money. This is my belief in myself." He bought a simple backpack. No brand, no fashion, just something light and strong. He packed a book, a notebook, a map, and one dream. He said goodbye to his family. They hugged him. His mother whispered, "Fly safe, my dreamer." The journey begins. He took a bus, then a train, then a plane. The sky outside the window was soft blue. Clouds looked like pillows. The world below looked small. He felt a tear in his eye, not because he was sad, because he was full of joy, full of life, full of wonder. He wrote in his notebook, "I am not just traveling, I am becoming." The end of the day. That night, Leo sat by a small window. He looked at the stars. Same stars, different sky. He closed his eyes and took a breath. I did it. Hopeful here. But this is just the beginning. And as he fell asleep, his dream was no longer in his head. It was real, and it was beautiful. Final lines. Now, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and ask yourself, Where do you want to go? What do you dream of? It may take time, it may take work, but your dream matters. You are not late. You are not behind. You are becoming. Good night. Sleep well and keep dreaming.